Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 23rd July 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 5. Name of the chapter, Animals Around Us. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video, student, we have completed the book exercises, that is question number A MCQ question, question number B we have to give 2 examples, question number 3 give 1 word answer, then question number D short question answer of the chapter we have completed. Now in today's video we will start with question number E. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. So question number 1, describe the kind of teeth carnivorous had. So in this we have to describe which type of a teeth carnivorous animals had. So now take out your classwork copy, all of you, because you have to write question answer of the chapter and diagram in classwork copy. Okay, in classwork copy, student, you will write question answers of the chapter and diagram of the chapter, and book exercises you will complete in the book only. Okay, so first question is question number 1, describe. Question number 1, describe the kind of teeth carnivorous. Describe the kind of teeth carnivorous have. Okay, so note down the question. So student, let me explain you the answer first, and after that I will write the answer on the board. See student, carnivorous animals. Okay, according to the eating habit. Okay, according to the eating habit, the animals are divided into 3 categories. That is herbivorous animal, carnivorous animals and omnivorous animals. Okay, so according to the eating habit, animals are divided into 3 categories, that is herbivorous animal, carnivorous animals and omnivorous animal. So when we are talking about the carnivorous animal, so what does it mean? It means that carnivorous are which type of animals? Carnivorous are flesh eating animals. They kill other animals and eat the flesh of that animals. Okay, that is the reason, student, these carnivorous have very sharp front teeth, very sharp and pointed front teeth. Okay, carnivorous animals front, if we are talking about the front teeth of the animal, then the front teeth of the carnivorous is very sharp and pointed. Why pointed? Because it eat the flesh of the animals. Pointed इसलिए होता है जिससे कि वो मांस के अंदर जा सके और वो उसको टेयर करके, मतलब चीर के मांस के टुकड़ों को अलग कर सके। ठीक है, तो इसलिए उसके फ्रंट के टीथ बहुत शार्प होते हैं और पॉइंटेड होते हैं, so that it enter into the flesh of the animal and it can tear the flesh। ठीक है, एनिमल्स का फ्लैश को वो क्या कर सके, एनिमल की फ्लैश को टेयर कर सके। ठीक है, एंड व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द बैक टीथ, तो देयर बैक टीथ आर ब्रॉड, चौड़े होते हैं, और कैसे होते हैं, फ्लैट होते हैं। एंड देयर जाज, ये जो जबड़े हैं उनके, देयर जा आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। जो कार्निवोरस एनिमल्स होते हैं उनके बैक टीथ क्या होते हैं, ब्रॉड होते हैं। ठीक है, बड़े होते हैं, चौड़े होते हैं और फ्लैट होते हैं। ठीक है, और व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द जॉ ऑफ द कार्निवोरस एनिमल्स, देन जॉ ऑफ द कार्निवोरस एनिमल इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। सो jaw of the carnivorous animal is very strong. So the answer is carnivorous animals, they have very sharp and pointed front teeth. Okay, that is the reason, because they are carnivorous animals, they are flesh eating animals. To tear the flesh, they have very sharp and pointed front teeth, and their back teeth is broad and flat. Okay, and when we are talking about the jaw of the carnivorous animal, then their jaw is very strong. So note down the answer. Carnivorous have very sharp, carnivorous have very sharp, pointed front teeth. Front teeth to tear the flesh, to tear the flesh. Their back teeth are broad and flat, and the jaw is very strong. So note down this answer from the board. Describe the kind of teeth carnivorous have. So carnivorous have very sharp pointed front teeth. Okay, to tear the flesh. Their back teeth are broad and flat, and their jaw is very strong. So student, you can take a screenshot. You can take a screenshot and easily in this manner you can note down the answer in your classwork copy. Now next question. With the help of an example, explain the term food chain. So now we will discuss. Next question is about the food chain, and with the help of a example, explain the term food chain. Question is, with the help of an example, question number 2. With the help of example, with the help of an example, explain the term explain the term food chain. So with the help of an example, explain the term food chain. So as we know student, as we know that plants are the only producers. Is it clear? As we know that plants are the only producers, they can prepare their own food, and we human beings and animals, we depend upon plants. Okay, so when we are talking about the food chain, so there are different food chains present in the nature. ठीक है, there are different food chains which are present in the nature. For example, plants are eaten by the animals, and then animals are eaten by other animals. So as I earlier told you that the plants eating animals, as they are known as carnivorous animals. Plant eating animals, they are known as carnivorous animals. So what is a food chain? A food chain is a chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals and animals are eaten by other animals. ठीक है, so food chain से हमें ये पता चलता है कि कैसे प्लांट्स को, जो प्लांट्स हैं उनको कौन खा जा रहे हैं, एनिमल्स खा रहे हैं, और उन एनिमल्स को दूसरे एनिमल्स खा ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि एक कैटेगरी ये भी है ना बेटा कार्निवोरस वाली, जो फ्लैश ईटिंग एनिमल्स होते हैं. सो वो क्या इनडायरेक्टली प्लांट्स पे डिपेंड है, क्योंकि वो उनको खा रहे हैं जिनको जो एनिमल्स प्लांट्स को खाते हैं। इज इट क्लियर? तो इनडायरेक्टली प्लांट्स पे डिपेंड है। आ गया समझ में? सो फर्स्टली वी विल राइट द डेफिनेशन व्हाट इज अ फूड चेन, एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ ए डायग्राम आल्सो। उसके बाद हमें क्या ड्रॉ करना है? डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है फूड चेन का, क्योंकि इसने बोला ना विद द हेल्प ऑफ ए एग्जांपल यू हैव टू शो। तो फर्स्टली नोट डाउन व्हाट इज फूड चेन। आंसर, a chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals, and then animals are eaten by other animals is called a food chain. Okay, so this is the answer. A chain that shows how plants are eaten by animals, and then animals are eaten by other animals. So this is known as food chain. A chain that shows that how plants are eaten by animals, and then animals are eaten by other animal. So that is known as food chain. You note down this answer. After that I will rub the board, because with the help of a diagram we have to show. So after rubbing this answer I will draw the diagram of a food chain. And diagram you will draw on a white page. Many students, they have sent their copies for the correction and they are not drawing diagram in a white page, where the lines are given for writing purpose, not for making the diagrams. Please student, try to understand. So Draw the diagram from the board. Draw this diagram from the board. One more diagram is there. So this is a diagram of a student food chain. This is a diagram of a food chain. Now see student, this is a food chain. What is this? Grass. Grass. So grass is eaten by grasshopper. Okay, grass. This is a food chain diagram, and grass is eaten by a grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by a frog, and frog is eaten by a snake, and then finally the snake is eaten by the eagle. So this is a complete. So after writing the answer, you will draw this diagram also. See, grass is eaten by grasshopper, and then it is eaten by the frog. Is it clear? Then frog is eaten by a snake, and finally snake is eaten by the eagle. So in this food chain, this is the फाइनल कंज्यूमर. ठीक है, इस फूड चेन में ईगल क्या आपकी फाइनल कंज्यूमर है. ओके, सो ड्रॉ दिस डायग्राम इन द कॉपी, ईवीएस कॉपी. यू कैन टेक ए स्क्रीनशॉट. ग्रास, grasshopper, frog, snake. Grass is eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper is eaten by frog, frog is eaten by the snake, and snake is eaten by the eagle. Okay, thank you student.